How to save photos and videos on Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save your photos and videos on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Snapchat and make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. Tap on your Bitmoji icon on your top left. Now in order to save your photos and videos, tap on settings icon on your top right. Here scroll below and under privacy control you'll see memories. Tap open it. Under save destination tap on save button. Now here just tap on memories or memories and camera roll, and when you edit a snap it will directly be saved to your memories and camera roll. If you would like to change the settings to camera roll only, toggle on the option that says a camera roll only. Now go back and tap on auto save my story snaps. Here check the box that says auto save to memories, and that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.